I'd rather kill myself than do that.
It's gonna look so corrupted, I hope you know. I tried recording here earlier and it just like so scuffed.
Oh god. Yeah, skip the intro, please. I don't care for story.
I'm terrified.
Wait, hold on, wait, stay here, stay here. The door handle's right here. We opened it, pushing it this way.
Anyway, come look at me.
Huh.
Where are more teddies? I want more teddy bears.
Selena Gomez, guys!
Oh my god, Selena Gomez! Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. No, I don't want Selena Gomez!
Get me the fuck
Oh, Jesus Christ! Selena Gomez really wants some of that Sappus Nappus.
Where is the fucking bear? Wait, I already got it.
Go kick your ass. Go kick your ass. I thought you could.
Well,
I cannot. Do not tell me.
Ryan, answer me. What's the situation up there?
I'm here too, guys. Haha. Ooga booga. She's following me? Okay, she's not. What the hell? Where did you go? Teddy bear! No, I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry. I promise I'll never judge your music ever again, Selena Gomez. Not bad, I promise. Lovely. Selena Gomez got me. She started making me do that one dance. Amazing. Amazing. How about we go down here? This looks very promising. This is not promising. This is not promising in the slightest. I want to go home. Hey, ma'am, can I come? Nope, don't come walking towards me. Oh, hi!
Hi! Did I hear? What do you think I heard?
I hear screaming.
Yeah, it's gonna be me and the bear.
Sapanappy. There's no
Nappy
teddy
nap.
bear over here. I'm so
There's
disappointed.
no, there is a teddy bear here. There's one for me.
What? I can't see anything.
Alright, well, guys, George just died right in front of my eyes, and I didn't see the cause for it. Oh, yes, let's walk past her like this. Never mind, let's not. I'm going to be murdered by this lady. Guys, help. Oh, and she's dead. Or he's dead. And I'm dead. Amazing.
Oh,
What's-
hi, Emerald.
Excuse me? Oh, hi!
I died 3 times and she's just camping me right here and I can't leave because that girl is obsessing.
Can't take this, I'm going inside.
I'm going up here, come on, up here.
No, in here is much more fun. No, okay.
System auto swap. Ah!
Ah,
Selena
number
Gomez.
1 Victory Royale! You bring me up here and then you immediately ditch- Stop ditching me!
I can't stop for you, she's right there!
No, she ain't! I don't see her nowhere!
Oh, she's there for me! I see her little toes creeping.
Yo, let's go over here. I want to go over to the orphanage. What?
Over here, get this
She is right there. I'm good. She's right there. Oh!
Help! She's.
Oh yeah, she's right there. That's not very good. I still have like 9 more I have to find. I don't want to. I want to go home.
No. Anyways, she's right there.
I can hear it.
Oh, well, what's that about her being right there? I don't see her nowhere. Y'all have 2 lives.
Yeah,
I
right.
still have 3. Get good. Oh. Hey, George. You alright? One.
This chick can't be everywhere. Where?
Oh, Jesus Christ! She can't get me if I'm in here. Oh, she's doing that thing that you did to me. She's camping. You and crap! You and crap! Oh my god! there.
Oh, shut
Yeah,
up.
this is getting more.
Kiss you? Oh yeah, come here now that George is dead.
no, I'm
Alright. We hereby sacrifice Catman as tribute outside.
Sacrifice. Go have fun, Catman.
Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
I will be here in
Sacrifice.
spirit. Literally, I'm dead.
Listen, George, I love you.
God damn!
You know what, guys? I just had an amazing idea. How about before she can kill us, we just kill ourselves?
No. I'm freaking dead.
Gee, I'm already dead.
We gotta go to another world now.
No, wait, but I still have to collect only 9 more, and I still have like 3 lives.
No, we're going to the same place because Catman
Oh.
died. Every time Catman dies. Basically, every time we're just gonna make Catman suffer, that's it.
No, listen, I'm suffering
Can we
too,
go to
you
the
know?
stair- I just love this game, man.
You can go
I know, right?
You can go to child mode.
I hope someone's recording this, because I want to see this later.
Me too, guys, me too. Yeah, me too, guys.
Threesome.
Oh, whoa. That's concerning, because I changed my avatar to freaking Wilbur. Let me out.
It's all
Let
the
me out.
Wilbur and Dream shippers.
Oh. Can't wait to go up these stairs.
These weak arms are heavy. Farmers
I mean, that's canon.
Wait, what?
Stimpy, that is a canon thing.
You're not okay. Anyway, keep explaining how that's canon.
I don't know why, but someone in the actual I'm pretty sure it was the actual Wilbur who said that Ghostbur and Friend are canon lovers.
Oh. What's up with what we're getting with animals, man?
I don't know, man. They're hot. Oh, Jesus Christ! Of course, the crows had to spook me.
I love this place. I hope nothing bad happens.
Can we just take this car? Can we just take this car and, like, drive out of
can we
here,
just take
please?
it
That would
over
be
here
so
for-
easy.
I know how to drive.
If we do, only 2 of us is getting out. There's no room in the back. There's only presents in
There's
the back.
no room in the back.
No.
It's literally
It's empty.
Scooby-Doo
It is
machine.
empty.
There's so
No,
much
no.
room in the back.
Listen, the
There's
fact
spikes
that-
back there, you can't go down there. It's
No,
spikes
l-
back there.
Okay,
No,
I'm
listen,
I'm
the only
driving, I'm
reason
driving.
why there
Welcome
can
to
only be-
Columbus.
No, guys,
And
listen.
And I'm sitting over here, so you and Will are left behind, by the way.
Blue wants
Because
to
Dream's
join!
ass is so huge.
No.
It fills the entire truck.
Are you telling me I have a fat ass?
Yeah, is that a horrible compliment?
Come on, let's go. We gotta go find the key.
Yeah, you
Sure.
better run.
Dang,
you better
say
run.
thank you.
Dude, I don't want to go out there.
What the fuck was that?
What kind of a robot? How are you not allowed to use your own voice?
I can't scream because my mom is in the living room, dum dum. Ooga booga.
Oh my god, Selena Gomez! Hi!
Oh my god, Selena Gomez! Where? I love her music.
Selena.
She's a big inspiration for my own. Warning, danger zone.
We've been all around here, buddy.
We've been all around the danger zone. Oh, no, I'm the one who's having PTSD in this place.
Oh god.
Next thing you know, Jubilee Line starts playing.
Oh no. You know, at first I was stupid and I thought
Oh.
Jubiline was like a bridge.
Don't look behind you, by
Not
the
a-
way. Don't look down the hallway behind you.
What?
Do you not see her? Because I see her rapidly
No.
approaching.
Blue, you here? Oh, fucking! Oh, my mouse! I almost threw my fucking mouse across the room. Hold on. Where's the flashlight? Shit.
Do you see Roblox?
Got it.
No, we're not talking about you, you stupid Roblox
Always shine
person.
a light on you, you freaking- your textures
Oh.
actually show up, you're not just all black! No, come back! No!
I got it. Please.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Please, if you touch me, it's touching of a minor. It's not allowed. You touch a minor and it's illegal. Don't touch the minor. Touch the minor and it's illegal. Don't touch the minor.
She can't kill me if I kill myself first.
Oh, jeez. Hey! You know what, let's just not touch you. You know what, yeah, can't kill me if I kill myself first.